So I'm Jay. I'm a seven-figure seller, also founder of Gorilla ROI, which is an Amazon data connector to load Amazon directly to Google Sheets.
Hi, I'm Andrei. I'm a seven-figure seller and the founder of Sellermetrics.
What are your thoughts on video? In 2024, listing optimizations, where should we be at with video?
You need the video. If you don't have the video, you're missing on a lot of things. The thing is that on Amazon, you can't touch the product. Images tell pretty good story. They're second after the bullet points after the text. But video actually animates the product, and that's, that's a replacement for you not touching the product and being in store and seeing it. You actually can see how the product looks. You can show some sizing. You can iterate some points in the video. You can tell a story, and you can actually ring an emotion, ring a string in their brain. So
why do you think people aren't doing videos then? Because there's so many listings with no videos, and it's not like it's difficult.
I guess it's our mentality of if it works, don't touch it, or not trusting that something may work. Maybe they tried some cheap videos and the results wasn't so good, and I think that is the case because we hire somebody for a budget, they shoot a video or the UGC content. The UGC content is great, it does a purpose, but it's good when the users post that stuff. When you posting videos from users, maybe if you compile them and you tell a story, so you have a nice video, but the video has to be short. Again, people don't have time. You have to respect them, right? So keep it short, but you can have a story in 50 seconds. You can have a very long story, tell a lot of things, right? You can start with demonstrating the product, do a close-up, show the material, show the sizing, show how it works in action, right? If it's a bicycle light, show how it works, how it lights outside. If it's a cutting board, show how it looks, show it on the table, cut something on it. If it's a cleaning product, same way. If it's a headphones, put it on top, use it, right? Address it with the right call to action because people want to get it fast. And then you can put the UGC as well. So like sequence.
Okay, yeah, that's a good point. So what do you think about then maybe the hiccup that people don't do or that people get caught up about is the fact that it's not going to be like some high-end production, right? So do you think bad video is better than no video?
Absolutely. It's better than nothing. But a better video is better than a worse video. So do it. Like mine was done with the phone and it was pretty good. Then we upgraded and you improve and you cut and you learn to cut and you learn to do those things. And that's how it goes. Like with this video.
People just get into their own heads, right? It's like, oh, I'm not a videographer. I don't have like professional editing or video skills. So this is for somebody else, not for me, right? Funny story is like we've had a product on QVC and they need a B-roll for their products, right? And I'm like, oh crap, I don't have much time. And then got some quotes and the B-rolls and it wasn't that great. And ultimately, like how much more better would they be able to do than if I was, say, using the product and shooting it, right? So I ended up just taking multiple shots, cheap camera. I don't have any expensive equipment. I take B-rolls at like Home Depot. I go to somebody's nice house, take some B-rolls. I used my phone to take B-rolls and then you just put it all together and it went on national television, right? And nobody cares. Nobody cares. It's just in your own head, right? Because at the end of the day, they're not going to remember you unless you're Apple, Samsung, and the big brands. Most people don't remember you. So it's like, okay, just roll with it. Just get it done instead of procrastinating and then making excuses.
We are emotionally attached to the product. The user is not yet. Like it takes, I think, 10 years. 10 years to get emotional attached to something, maybe 5, right? Until it becomes somebody to them. But until then, you're just a useful product that I need and I don't want to hear about you anymore when I want to restock it or if I need another gadget. But
and sometimes bad videos just make it look more realistic. So, I mean, that's reality. Like sometimes if you overdo a production, it just looks way too fake, way too polished. Like I wouldn't do a 3D rendering video, right? I wouldn't do a video with like 3D products, right? That's just bad. I'm not in the business of trying to sell concept cars, right? So just bad video is better than no video. But then obviously as you get better, you want to improve your quality where you can.
Funny you say, but actually I think low quality production good quality material video is much better than a high production quality with like shitty actors and not thought through and stuff, because there's guys that can take 20K from you and produce something for it. But if you didn't thought well the script, the storyline, everything, it will be a beautiful story about nothing.
Yeah, that's the mistake that so many people fall into. Just because you either have money or you think you lose that resourcefulness, and having a really good script with a bad video does so much better than having an excellent video with a bad script.